Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to my 2461st edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good afternoon, traders. It's Sunday afternoon. This video coming at you on a Sunday afternoon for trading Sunday through Monday. That's August 29th, 2022. Before we get started, please remember this is a very risky game. Never, ever trade without stops. Do not trade markets you don't understand. Always place your stops first. And remember, it's not for everybody. It's not for every account. So if you don't know what you're doing, please come join me in my free live trading room at livewithoscar.com, and I'll help you get better at calling these markets. Traders, we are looking at the Russell 2000 chart for trading Sunday night through Monday. It's got a red omni. And look, it's been Powell-Ized. The market just got Powell-Ized on Friday by the speech, of course, that Powell gave at Jackson Hole. And we had the bad juju starting out at the 200 bar moving average to begin with. Drop, 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 rallied into the Powell speech. Massive outside reversal down day. More downside looks like it's coming for trading Monday, maybe even into Tuesday. You'll end up with a lot of what they call liquidation phone calls. The brokers start calling all the traders that were long for this big drop, stocks and you name it, and say, listen, do you want to send in money or should we liquidate? And a lot of times you get liquidation, or they'll hold on to their stocks and sell everything else. So let's talk about Friday. On Thursday night, I came out with a video and I told you, Omniacs, that the Omni wanted us to start off long on Friday, not short. Now, I cannot control market. I can't control market volatility. I can't control markets. You know what I can control? I can control how us Omniacs behave within the market volatility and movement, right? No one controls markets, but I can control our behavior. Now, traders, when I send out a flash update or an Omni real-time recommendation, that goes out to people all over the world at the same second. I cannot retract it. I cannot change it. I cannot pretend that we won if we lost. It goes out all over the world, and these trades are as real as the day is long. What did we do Friday? The Omni on Friday gets us long E-mini S&P, ESU, at 41.83. The Omni has the whole crowd of us take profits at 42.17. The high on Friday was 42.1725, and then the crack came. We got out right before Powell spoke, right at the Omni level, and then Powell started to speak. The crack came. We had already sidestepped and had a very profitable day on Friday. Viva la Omni! Now, I cannot control markets, but I can control how we behave within that volatility. So great day Friday. Friday's gone. Let's move on to Sunday through Monday, where we look like we will be selling rallies, if possible, to get a fill in E-mini S&P, NASDAQ, Russell. But there is more, traders. Remember I told you there would be liquidation going on, right? Well, gold is one of those markets that will feel that liquidation for several reasons. The dollar is strong as an ox. One, that makes gold weaker. Two, gold has been failing miserably at this 50 bar moving average for months on end. Miserable failure. Gets all the way back up to it. Miserable failure. Gets back above it. Tries. Another miserable failure. Never gets to it on Thursday. Friday gets Powell-Ized. The Omni is bearish. And third reason, this is one of the markets that will be liquidated if you're holding longs in gold to pay for your stock portfolio or your stock margins. So that will probably happen to gold traders, and Omni wants to be a seller of rallies in gold, silver, and or platinum if we can get a fill. Then for you crypto traders out there is no good news, I promise. Let's go look at another chart. Look at Bitcoin, traders. Just look at this chart for a moment. It started to fail all the way back here at this average. Failure at the average, breaks down, starts a channel, heads back up. What's it do? It creates a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, head and shoulders formation. That's bearish. What does it do? Breaks down into a bear flag. Once again, bearish. The market goes lower. Then it finally gets a little strength. It's inside of a nice channel. Where does it get to? Right at that failure average. Boom. Fails right there turns into another bear flag. Let me blow that bear flag up for you because it is absolute. That is a bear flag, and we will go lower in Bitcoin. How Bitcoin goes, how all the oil, basically, how Bitcoin goes is how just about every other altcoin will go. Every now and then you'll get an altcoin to be like a penny stock that'll shoot for the moon. But if Bitcoin's going down, the odds are good that so is the coin that you own. Speaking of Bitcoin, I've got another one of my favorites in the, if you would, in the crypto arena. And I think it's the only other one worth trading when you do want to trade crypto, and that would be Ethereum. Traders, please subscribe to my channel. Do that right now so that you know whenever I post a brand new video, which is almost every night. These videos are geared to trade immediately following through the next day's close. It's timely information, so subscribe now. Ethereum Daily Bar. Traders, remember, if you've been following me, I came up with this big cup, and I called it the cup and handle formation. I said, look, here's your cup. This is a cup and handle. Then the handle formed. And we were able to give it a name for sure. Cup and handle formation. Big cup. There's your handle. And what did it do? It took off out of the handle at 1,400 all the way to the price of 2,000 at the top. But then the market started to come back down, is now in a bearish formation called a bear flag, is falling out of the bear flag and no longer looks good. Then take a look at this. We make this a little thicker so you can see it, and look what happened here. Failure at this average. And if you look at this average doesn't usually, well, it usually either fails or produces a nice rally, right? Up here it starts. Failure, boom. Failure, boom. Finally gets above, fails again, but gets above and produces a smart rally. Well, gets below it here, fails there. Down we go after the bear flag. Traders, your Ethereum, Bitcoin, and just about anything else you trade when it comes to crypto will have a down day most likely on Monday, maybe even Tuesday. A lot of it will be liquidation phone calls to pay for stock margins. Traders, please join me at livewithoscar.com. No credit cards are required. You can hang out with me in my free live trading room. And then remember to keep your emotions out of this game, traders. Never make emotional decisions. Say this to yourselves over and over again, and by now you should know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, that is the truth. Do not make emotional decisions. Put your stops in first, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Good luck trading out there.